Let me take you on the timeline here to go through tomorrow and the next few days to see just how strong the wind will be and when it will happen. So tomorrow morning, not too bad, but breezier than it was this morning. We're talking 15, maybe up to 20 miles an hour or so at times. These are wind gusts. As we go to tomorrow night, look at that. We get a big wind surge that pushes all the way down the coast. It's going to hit the Treasure Coast first and then push down through the Palm Beaches. Mid-30s, 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts here by Sunday evening and in the overnight hours. And watch by Monday, it doesn't settle down all that much. We're still hovering around upper 20s to near 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts here through the whole day. On Monday, it will start to come down a little bit on Tuesday, but still stay pretty breezy out there. And check out what the wind will do to the wave heights. 4 to 6 feet building tomorrow. Here's the big stuff here. It pushes down by Sunday night. Monday, 10 to 14 feet here, possibly even bigger, well out into the Gulf Stream. It does relax a little bit on Tuesday, 7 to 9 feet, but it will be very rough along the coast, and even coming down a little bit more on Wednesday, but still stays pretty elevated with small craft advisory conditions. Now, what will that do? It will cause a very rough ocean as those seas really get up there. Beach erosion all up and down our coastline, pretty much everywhere. Rip current threat will be there, and a longshore current. That's the current that pushes you down the beach. Coastal flooding possible because all this wind is going to push that water up. Extra high tides out there once again in those low-lying areas that we've already been seeing. Other hazards on land. High-profile vehicles will get blown around 95 and the Turnpike. Of course, tall cranes and construction on tall buildings, and any roofers and tree trimmers there for late tomorrow and Monday looks very dangerous for that.